Welcome back to another day of working on this Lingenfelter Corvette. We left off from last time. I've got the back end disconnected. I've taped up some of the wiring. So right now we got the engine supported with the chain still. I've got the motor mounts out. I am checking in the front end if I have any connections that might give me a snag. Looks like the supercharger oil supply is free, which is a good thing. The power steering lines, I mean, you really can't see hardly anything through here. You can kind of see the power steering lines up in here. Sometimes they're, routed to the engines. So that looks good. That's promising. Alright, so last time we left off, I had a couple more things I needed to disconnect from the engine. We've got the compressor pushed out of the way. The belt is pretty much going to stay on the engine. We've got the wire harness disconnected. Fuel rail covers are off. All the injectors, everything, the wire harness is pulled underneath the air pump stuff. The one thing I have to be careful of is this wiper motor right here. But as it sits, I believe I have everything disconnected. But you often find out when you're pulling it up that you have something that's snagging. So over here you can see the power steering pump. This line right here is bolted to the front of the block, I believe. At least it should be. Well, that's pretty much it. I got the motor out just the way I thought. I have all the wire harness pushed up against the firewall. There was a couple of vacuum lines that I needed to disconnect, but that's about it. Nothing broke, so it was a great success. Got the return line off of the reservoir, as well as the pressure line off of the power steering pump, and that was able to just pull the whole thing out, because getting to the front end of these engines in car is like such a major pain. Traditionally, you take all the accessories off, gain more room, but you have to move this steering rack out of the way. Getting that balancer out is pretty difficult. So I was able to bypass all that. There she is, man. Got her out, no problems. With the charger intact. Didn't even touch the supercharger belt. Saved me a lot of time. So now I'm gonna put it on an engine stand, and we're gonna take it from there and start tearing this thing apart. So probably do that tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm making videos every day for the next 5 days. I don't know, something like that. I'm doing 30 videos in 30 days.